We'll guide you through how to edit shared Excel file from Dropbox. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. People search this tutorial to learn how to edit shared Excel files safely in Dropbox, avoid data loss, collaborate online, and ensure their changes save and sync correctly every time. Start from your laptop home screen. Locate the search bar on the screen and open your web browser and go to the Dropbox website by typing the address into the address bar and loading the page. Log into your account using your email and password, then wait until the Dropbox dashboard loads completely. After the dashboard loads, click the Shared menu in the navigation panel and select the Files tab to view all shared documents. Locate the shared Excel file in the list and click the file name to open it. The file will open in preview mode, so click Open and then select Open in Excel for Web to edit it online. Wait for the file to open completely before making any changes. Click the cell you want to edit and type your changes directly into the selected cell. Add data if necessary by clicking empty cells and entering new information. Edit the formula if necessary by selecting the formula bar and updating the formula carefully. Check the number format to ensure values display correctly, such as currency, percentage, or decimal formats. Change the font or color if allowed by using the formatting options in the toolbar. Add a new row if necessary by selecting a row and inserting a new one, and delete any incorrect data by selecting the cells or rows and removing them. Use the toolbar menu if necessary to access additional editing tools and features. Ensure a stable internet connection while working to prevent data loss or sync errors. Wait for autosave to run and save your changes automatically. Then confirm the saved status by checking the notification or status indicator. Click the file name to check the version history if you need to confirm recent edits. Close the file when finished, return to the Dropbox page, refresh the file page, and verify that the changes are visible.